Woodworking enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the 10 best woodworking tools that'll take your projects to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting, these tools are must-haves for precision, efficiency, and creativity. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The metal-concealed hinge jig with quick clamp and dust vacuum adapter is a highly durable and precise tool for woodworking projects like cabinet and door hinge installations. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it ensures superior durability and accuracy compared to plastic alternatives. Its built-in double bearings and 35mm carbide-tipped bit enable smooth, efficient, and sharp drilling for concealed cabinet door hinges. The jig features a metal dust bracket compatible with 1 3/8-inch vacuum hoses, allowing seamless connection to dust collectors. This innovative design eliminates dust during operation, improving efficiency and maintaining a clean workspace. The adjustable depth setting offers precise drilling up to 0.6 inches, making it perfect for various overlay hinges. Versatile and user-friendly, the jig accommodates hinge offsets from 2mm to 6mm and supports multiple screw hole spacings. The included 5/64-inch drill guides and bits are suitable for most concealed hinges. The quick clamp design simplifies setup, providing secure attachment to workpieces for faster, more convenient woodworking. This concealed hinge jig is essential for achieving professional quality results in cabinet and door installations. Number 2. The Rexpeedy folding saw is a versatile tool ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, and woodcraft projects. With a full size of nearly 28 inches and a folded size of 14 inches, it weighs just 14.5 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to carry. Its folding design enhances portability and allows convenient storage, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and general yard work. The saw features a durable, hardened SK5 steel blade, ensuring efficient and reliable cutting for various tasks, including bushcraft, landscaping, and survival situations. Its 14-inch blade, equipped with aggressive staggered teeth at 5.5 TPI and 4 cutting angles, delivers ultra-smooth and sharp sawing. This design enables faster and easier cutting, capable of handling branches with a diameter of 7 to 10 inches. The ergonomic 8-inch rubber-coated polymer handle provides a firm and comfortable grip, even in adverse weather conditions, ensuring safe and effective use. The Rexpeedy folding saw combines durability, efficiency, and portability, making it an essential tool for both outdoor adventures and home projects. Number 3. The Jorgenson 3.5-inch mini wood planer is a high-quality tool designed for precise woodworking and detail craftsmanship. Its blade is crafted from 9CRWMN, a professional-grade 01 tool steel, ensuring high cutting efficiency and reduced wear. The finely sharpened blade is ideal for wood planing and can be reused, sharpened, and adjusted for long-lasting performance. Built with advanced materials, the planer's body is made of durable ductile iron, drop-tested to handle heavy-duty use. The zinc alloy lever cap and stainless steel components ensure strength and resistance to damage during operation. The adjustable design allows easy control of the cutting depth by turning a simple knob, making it versatile for different woodworking tasks. This mini hand planer is suitable for trimming, polishing, deburring, and cutting, making it perfect for shaping and sizing wood in various projects. Compact and portable, the Jorgenson mini wood planer is ideal for woodworking, DIY projects, and crafts, providing a reliable tool for achieving precision and smooth finishes in your work. Number 4. The Kata 32 pieces pyramid stands are designed to securely elevate projects off the work surface with minimal contact, making them ideal for painting, staining, or gluing. These non-stick painter's cones help complete tasks efficiently in a single session, reducing mess and delivering excellent results. They are perfect for a variety of applications, including canvas, cabinet doors, shutters, furniture, crafts, and moldings. Featuring a lock and tab system, the cones can be easily secured to the work surface or connected to each other, accommodating different shapes and uses. The stands are solvent-resistant and can support objects weighing up to 200 to 250 pounds, ensuring stability and versatility. For added convenience, the cones are designed to nest together, allowing for easy and organized storage. These painting stands are a practical and reliable tool for professional and DIY projects alike. Number 5. The DFM Small Square and Center Finder is a precision-crafted woodworking tool designed to deliver exceptional accuracy for your projects. It features a versatile 11/32 0.34-inch center marking hole, accommodating larger pencils for effortless and precise center marks. This multifunctional tool serves as both a small square and a center finder, making it an essential instrument for accurate line transfers and efficient woodworking tasks. Its compact and versatile design simplifies your work, ensuring reliable performance for carpenters and woodworkers alike. Number 6. The Sacre Folding Speed Square 12-inch is an innovative and versatile measuring tool designed for precision and convenience. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and portability, while providing an expanded marking range when unfolded, making it ideal for various on-the-go and professional projects. This all-in-one tool combines multiple functions, allowing users to draw straight lines, mark precise angles, and create equidistant lines for symmetrical layouts. Its 12-inch size strikes a balance between practicality and portability, being larger than a standard 7-inch ruler but more compact than traditional 12-inch models. The folding feature makes it easy to transport and store in any toolbox or workspace. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, the Sacre Speed Square resists bending and breaking, even with heavy use. Its precision-etched markings are clear and wear-resistant, ensuring accurate cuts and layouts every time. The ruler's visible scale and ergonomic design enhance efficiency, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 7. The 2-in-1 rolling digital tape measure with laser combines precision and versatility, offering a 98-foot laser for corners and ceilings and a 328-foot rolling tape for flat or curved surfaces. It ensures accurate measurements for tasks like DIY projects, room setup, and sewing. This tool features 4 measurement modes: single, continuous, linear and curvilinear, and cumulative distance, making it perfect for construction work or furniture fitting. Its 5 adjustable rolling accuracy modes adapt to open spaces, obstructions, dual-sided obstacles, or circular measurements, providing precise results in varied scenarios. The switchable dual laser benchmarking enables front or rear benchmarks for added flexibility. It uses a Class 2 laser with a wavelength of 630 to 670 nanometers and a power 1 milliwatt. Users are advised to avoid prolonged direct exposure to the laser. The Smart Memory function stores up to 30 measurements, allowing easy data review and deletion when needed. Measurements can be displayed in meters, feet, or inches to suit diverse requirements. Powered by a USB-C rechargeable 240 mAh battery, the device delivers up to 5,000 measurements per charge, ensuring reliability and efficiency for extended use. This digital tape measure is an essential tool for precise and effortless measuring tasks. Number 8. The Trend Air Stealth Dust Mask is a high-quality half-face mask designed for comfort, protection, and durability. It features replaceable twin heat pack filters, making it suitable for woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. The mask is breathable and includes a lower exhalation valve to ensure easy breathing, even during extended use, while preventing fogging or misting for spectacle wearers. It provides full respiratory protection with a large filter surface area, making it effective against various particles encountered in homes, workshops, or job sites. Made from odor-free and non-allergenic TPE materials, the mask is latex-free and silicone-free, making it suitable for individuals with sensitive skin. It is versatile and can be used for a range of tasks such as water-based painting, building, welding, and other DIY activities. The mask protects against silica dust, brick dust, concrete dust, grain, plaster, oil aerosols, and other airborne particles. The advanced filtration technology includes twin HEPAC pleat encapsulated filters that deliver 99.99% filtration of particles and aerosols as small as 0.3 microns. A protective grille covers the entire filter surface to enhance durability and efficiency. This mask offers a combination of advanced protection and comfort, making it an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 9. The Sacre 2-pack woodworking drilling holding clip is an essential tool for precise drilling and positioning in woodworking projects. Each package includes 2 cabinet clamps, allowing for the handling of multiple holes or more complex tasks simultaneously, providing flexibility and convenience. These clamps are ideal for cabinet installation and other woodworking projects. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, these clamps are both durable and lightweight. The precision of CNC machining ensures perfect dimensions and a tight fit, enhancing the overall performance. The anodized surface treatment makes the clamps resistant to corrosion and wear, ensuring long-lasting durability even with frequent use. The clamps have a versatile clamping range from 2-inch to 4.4-inch, making them suitable for various cabinet sizes and projects. With a jaw width of 2.45-inch, they provide a secure grip and stability. The clamps can handle a maximum clamping force of 450 pounds, ensuring reliability during installation tasks. Equipped with a pilot hole drill guide, the clamps ensure precise pre-drilling for your projects. The guide can be easily flipped out of the way after drilling, allowing you to drive screws without removing or repositioning the clamp. This built-in functionality streamlines the installation process, improving accuracy and efficiency. These Sacre cabinet clamps combine tightening, aligning, pre-drilling, and securing in one smooth process, eliminating the need to reposition. With 2 high-performance clamps, you can complete your cabinet installation tasks more quickly and accurately. Number 10. The Ruidal Cabinet Door Installation Positioner is a versatile mounting jig designed to simplify the process of installing cabinet doors. It helps align the door panels quickly and efficiently, allowing one person to install most cabinet doors with ease, saving both time and effort. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, the positioner is wear-resistant and rust-free, ensuring long-lasting, reliable performance in various environments. Its solid construction guarantees durability and precision during use. This tool offers accurate positioning with professional-grade scales, ensuring that the cabinet doors remain level and aligned without deviation. The fixture is stable and secure, keeping the door in the correct position throughout the installation process. The positioner can clamp boards with a thickness range of 0 to 40 millimeters, making it compatible with a variety of carpentry needs. Its rubber pads prevent marks or damage to the boards, ensuring a clean installation. Ideal for left and right-hand doors, as well as frameless or face-frame cabinets. This cabinet door mounting jig meets the installation requirements for most types of cabinet doors, making it a must-have tool for any woodworking project.